We have a Range Rover Evoque here, 2014 plate. The key operates, locks and unlocks the car. However, when you get into the car, is a keyless key, so you should be able to keep the key just in the car. Upon pressing the start button, smart key not found message comes on a dash. This is all of a sudden it happened to the customer. So the key they operates fine. We've done a diagnostics. The keyless antenna they seem to operate fine. So in this case, the vehicle will require a resetting procedure, which we're about to carry out now with the machine. So we're just gonna start that now and then see the results. So we are now performing a vehicle reset, which is going to reset all the communication network, and after that we should okay, it tells us to switch the ignition on. We have cycled the ignition on. The instruments are resetting. Modular initializing at the moment. This should solve our warning message on a dash and keyless start not functioning. We're waiting for the procedure to complete. It's only gonna take a few seconds more. Okay, asks to confirm that the ignition is on, which should do. Now the procedure has complete. We're gonna switch off the ignition. We have keys on a dash and pressing the start button. So the vehicle function has been restored to normal. The key now is recognized. The keyless start operates correctly. So yeah, we fixed the problem. We reset the immobilizer, the communication network on this Range Rover Evoque. Any problems you always have with car keys, immobilizer, programming, one name, Car Key Solutions, contact us and we'll be more than happy to assist. Thanks for watching.